Alrighty, my fellow degenerates, you guys saw the title. We have 5 high short interest stocks to break down today, which could, keyword is could, be squeezing in the short term. So we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, entry, exit points, the whole 9 yards, guys. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subs. And guys, do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. And listen to this, guys. Fund your account with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get into it. And honestly, man, I might need a sip of this coffee right now. Holy, man. All right, cheers again. So, like you guys saw in the title, like I said in the intro, we have 5 high short interest stocks to break down, and a couple of these are already moving. One in particular, which we'll talk about here in a second. The first one I want to get into, though, let's just get right into it, man. Let's dive right into it, is Groupon, ticker symbol GRPN. Let me pull this up and show you guys. Groupon, if it wants to load, there we freaking go, guys. Might be time for a new laptop for your boy. Little side tangent. This thing has been, the battery life, I've had it for 5-6 years now. Let's just say it's getting toast. It's toasting, or it's toasted, whatever. You guys know what I mean. The battery life sucks. Either way, we gotta figure that out. But we're not going to worry about that now. Groupon is number 1. GRPN. This stock has 35% short interest, and guys, it's been moving since they recently reported earnings, which, well, I guess not too recent, but back in November, about, 2 months ago now, 2.5 months ago, whatever, we hit about $7.75, and now we're over $11. And guys, we're starting to break out of the wedge that's here on the 4-hour chart. You guys see we're making higher lows, lower highs at the same time until really a couple days ago we started breaking out. We're above the moving averages, breaking out of the wedge here. So my opinion, man, this stock, I've tracked it for a while now. We've covered it in these short interest or high short interest videos. We've covered it before. It looks like it's gearing up for another move. And in the short term, we're currently at 1140 when I'm making this video. I'm thinking maybe $12.75, $13, $13.50, $14 is where this could be going. Those are some key resistance points from the last couple of months here, guys, weeks as well. So Groupon, I like it, 35% short interest. The stock looks like it's starting to break out. Let's see if we can get full-on momentum to start building here. I'm going to set my alert for now at $11.75, and we'll see where it goes on Groupon. Stock number 2, guys, is BigBear.ai, which this is the one that is already squeezing. Insane. And it might go even higher, and any pullback here has to be looked at and taken seriously, in my opinion, for an entry point. Not telling you guys what to do. I'm just thinking out loud. That's the way I'm looking at BigBear.ai here. So this one's got 33% short interest, and just a couple days ago, literally, it was in the $3 to $4 window, in that range, and now we're at $7-8 per share. This thing is going bananas, and we've gotten some big news. I mean, BigBear.ai awarded contract by Department of Defense Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office. Financial terms are not yet disclosed, but we got that news yesterday, which caused the stock to go bananas. It looks like here, awards its contract to advance its virtual anticipation network prototype. That's very good news here. So, yeah, BigBear.ai, man, it's on fire. It's seeing a little bit of a pullback in real time when I'm making this video. But like I said, any pullback here could get bought up. It could, especially if we get back down to the $5-6 range. That might be a spot where buyers start to come in on BBAI. So keep your eyes on it. 33% short interest. The next one here is MPW, Medical Properties. We've covered this one before. It's a REIT, real estate investment trust, right? So this one's been reversing for a couple of weeks here, and I think the last time we covered it might have been in this ballpark right here when it was at $3.50 to $4 a share. Now, since that point, obviously, we're breaking out. We're pushing $5. We have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages. And now, when I'm making this video here, guys, we're pretty much at a multi-week resistance at about, where is that? $5, $4.75, $5. That was the high from back in the end of October, early November, and pretty much here in the last week or two as well. So I'm thinking if MPW, it's already building momentum, no doubt, but if it breaks out of $5, starts taking out the mid-5s as well, this could really start to gain even more momentum. You know, it's already gaining momentum, and that's where it could really start to break out. And this one, guys, by far has the highest short interest on the list here of 44.5%. Insane, man. Insane. So that's Medical Properties. MPW is the ticker on this one. And before we go over the last two stocks here, guys, make sure to join my email list. I'm not sure if you all are aware of this, but every week I send out my top stocks right to your email. And the great thing is, guys, guess what? It's free. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link down below, and there's no spam, no credit card number, none of that, straight up value. So check out the link down below. And the stock we called out on my recent email last week, one of the stocks, HUBC, right? This one, look at it. It's completely ripping. We literally emailed out this stock when it was under 90 cents, and now we're at $1.30. So yeah, if you guys want to get these stocks for free, again, linked down below. No strings attached, man. So yeah, let's go over the fourth stock for this video, which is SPRY. This one's ARS Pharmaceuticals. The chart doesn't look the best out of all these that we're covering, but I see some potential here. We have an inverse head and shoulders in the making. You guys see that right here. We got the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, you guys see that. And now we're fighting to hold above the 180 moving average on this 4-hour chart, which is at about $12.75, $13. If we get the clear-cut bounce and we start pushing $13.50, $14, we clear out of there, man, this could start moving. It could. And although the charts don't look great right now, we have to see if we hold this neckline right here at about $11.75, $12.50, which it looks like we are as of now. And if we get the clear-cut pop off that, we might be going a lot higher. So SPRY, ARS Pharmaceuticals, 34.5% short interest. I'm going to set my alert at, let's put it at $13.50 for now. Mark is at or above $13.50, and we'll see if it confirms that pop. Now, the last stock on the list, and by the way, guys, I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you stuck till the end here, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button. I'm sure you're already subscribed, but if you're not, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subs here on YouTube. So OPK, Opko Health Inc., is another one here that I think we've covered before, and now it's starting to gain some momentum. Finally, after months of consolidation in the mid $1 range, right? Now we're pushing 160. We're starting to break out here. We're up over the moving averages. We have a golden cross in the making, it seems like. It's about to come, come into fruition here. And hey, $1.75 is the high on the 4-hour time frame. I don't know about you guys, but to me, it looks like we're clearly in this channel, right? Sideways channel. And to me, it looks like we're making our way back towards 170, 175. Maybe it starts breaking out of there and it goes higher. So this one's got 34.5% short interest. pretty much the same as the previous one. SPRY is the ticker there. So yeah, guys, keep your eyes on all these. And, you know, if I had to pick one of them to trade this upcoming week, I might have to go with Groupon. The way it's setting up, and if it breaks that 1175, I think this could really start moving above 1250, right? But obviously the one with the most momentum now, no doubt, is Big Bear, BBAI. It's up a ton recently, but I think it might need to cool off before it goes up even more. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm actually in none of these stocks. I own 0 shares of all these stocks that we mentioned today, guys. So keep that in mind. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe. We'll do another update on these stocks probably next week or the week after. And do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use the link down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.